Ibaye kenemu no biko IG ezigbo ozi wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke tata. Mana tupu m kwuo anything biko subscribe on na page m, subscribe on now, subscribe on omanlige ego, omanlige data, or just click that subscription button, then like ya, comment on your notification. So ihe iji maka wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke tata bụ gbasalụ Ogechi okeke njaka ihe Jpac ji mpịa wee kọọ. Then Ogechi now reply him a lot of secrets that she has been opening since. Yota ịmana mmadụ ga-anọrọ ọrịa mmadụ agachọrọ ya okwu. Jpac achọtago this woman okwu now. Now Ogechi now decided to open up all the secrets behind Jpac and Ifeanyi Ụba, and not only about the thing, a lot, but I don't have much to say, because get in coma, we chant again coma na video and cheap legi ngwa nene ya bu video.
Otula de ya ni Kenya je bend na amu na odiro ya. Let me repeat it again. Jpac shemo n'oge na akwa na ihe gbasakwara Ifeanyi Ụba that I should not bring guilty na this matter. John ya, why didn't he call Ifeanyi Ụba that very day? At that second arrest. Why Ako? Yeah, this simple question can you John Jpac. Did you tell Ogechi that Ike ita akpohuma na amanye ga mu n'ike na obula gi? Ikwuru ya ko igwa hom ya. Did I just amam na Ifeanyi Ụba gi na ya na mma like that? Amamu ihe jikoro gi na ya? Was I there? Esomugi anomedia. You vividly told me mbaboro Bishop Opiki call. Anya bo met another person that yana Bishop 5 and 6. Anya boy ya should Bishop ano yana driver na follow Bishop ana haga. You want to go? Anya try ya Bishop imekwaga akpo back from Nga. By then enye go give phone ugi. But then they gave you your phone. Listen up, because animal like ana ebu mmadu ga know the full side of the story. I'm not afraid that in the I will not answer. But I can what brought Ifeanyi Ụba in that conversation. Achakodo and Udo. Jpac vividly opened his mouth to Shemu. I will repeat it over and over and over again. Ifeanyi Ụba mma wụlọ ya for help. Yaru mi Ifeanyi Ụba na edina Ogechi adara. Yaru mi Ifeanyi Ụba on organize help ya shigi bendia amam. Mbahuka Ojiri mem Kim, she do you minute yashim. Na gidi mene ya chohe boya. Now why didn't he want to call him? Because ni ka agula ya. Every time I share bend ya ke tinye ya mu ni ke ni ka de ya little favor madu ge meregi oge boost choho ge megi before. So June yande na bari shi Ogechi na Anthony Ifeanyi Ụba. He told me. He fucking told me when he's in his critical time. Amba ko shi ya dapu ya no anyi na ya no na when the police nyere ya phone on a few minutes. Mba ko ihe niile shi ya no nu ji na puta. For those of you guys Ogechi na mekwu aru ana mekwu aru onye agwara m ka m kwuru. Ana mekwu aru ana m nga ihe bent ya onye gwara m ka m kwuru. So how you guys saying na m kwuru aru? How im jiri kwu aru? Na mmadu gwara m ihe. Shim na ike mkpohi m otula abula ya. Na mboni na Ifeanyi ihe oga narela. Junior, why didn't Ifeanyi Ụba release him that time? Ebo wu ya Ifeanyi azai. Gini meno osa hunya that particular day. Gini meno, for those of you that Ogechi, that John Jpac. No, but no, this kind of conversation with me or no. Or we know better name, no, petty video. That is not the bone of contention. Sheno yao. Na gini mere lekwa point unu ga na aju ya. Na gini mere that very day oluzuru hope of contacting everybody at that critical time. Na gini mere point Ifeanyi Ụba na we akpo ebe ọ na-eji ebe ya na Ifeanyi Ụba na-enwe conversation. But that day conversation with Ifeanyi Ụba could not go through. Unu ị ga-awogbu ndị ga-awogbu. Owo mu na gị no ga-agwa m ihe gwara m that I was so shivering. I was shivering and Ashim recorded again. Is his word against my works? Ishim okay. I'm not crazy. I want to get Jiziru go on your Ifeanyi Ụba na rani kemona hana. No, man. No. Now una sabi because I know sabi. So ina ajo mo ma record me and when me shim record ora gi he save rogi. I'm not atuare. Oh sunu ga juzi Jpac. Ugboro leka Ifeanyi Ụba na rani ike. You want to go? So, ihe na agbagharị here. Na agbagharị na eke ka ahụ gbasara unu. Agwala m go onye gwara m ihe ọ gwara m. Now, that day, it was everybody. Then I had to call Aku. I had to reach Aku because I could go busy. Na-eme ihe Zolo Peters ya. I had to call Aku. Legwa na Jpac watching legwa ihe o kwuru na ọ sị na ọ chọghị ikpo so person. Ola ikpọrọ ma shower ya get out. When who talk, I get out. I want to go. So, na abo channel so mba ka kujiri me na zone 2. Na zone 2 Lagos. Ako had to put up a call. Ako Zion had to put up a call. That was how, not only a call, Ako had to send the money for Belen. Ako had to bring his own money when Ogwaramu dati na ya chonwu nke Ifeanyi Ụba ga-emecha ya kpọ ya n'ụlọ. I want you to come and meet me now. Ka mkpọ him otula ka na mama amu n'ike amu agwụla ya n'ihe ya gbaga na wisatụlụ town. Go and ask him. So abali na pamiki Ogechi. No, it's not me. Jpac gwara m n'ike ibende ana akpọ ya amu n'ike agwụla ya. So whether you like it or you want to cry, call him that name. And the Jpac, I'm giving you another challenge. Jpac, I got what a doctor, give what a doctor. Can you ginike? Ya uroma, and wepa amu panaginike before. Jpac, I will pay you any damages if you can quote. But all na amu panaginike. Jpac, I got any amount. Can you make a kibabi? What a doctor, give what a kim. Come on, a dog ginike shige. After examining you and the doctor proved that Ikegika will virgin, Jpac, I will pay you any damages or lecture. Ya kwano me enyo change, ya wuru me jili kegimene ngana woko so. Jpac, then you will pay me. How about that? Jpac, make it happen. I will call my doctor in Nigeria now. Gabota nkegi. Enyo chao tulage. Ya wuru me mebe. Amu paraginike. Jpac, I will pay you damages. Did you hear what I said? For those of you, I'll prepare this one. Because I have challenged you, Jpac. Weputo tulage. Mabota my doctor. Kaga legi. Gabota nkege lekuogi. Ke wote the results. Kihu ba okrobo. Kamara me wena dozens of spam konoga fo. Kamara me mena dozens of miriamu konoga get that your big stomach. If not, come get damages ko ekwomo. How about that? Can this problem solve? How about this simple challenge? Now, when it comes to Chinedu Nwadike, Jpac opened the mouth and told me, may his soul keep resting in peace. I got home there. I did not do contribution for Chinedu Nwadike. I was not at Chinedu Nwadike's presence. Jpac told me, na Chinedu Nwadike buori obiri na ajo chan. Na Chinedu Nwadike bu ekensi nke oboro na wo syphilis. Na Chinedu Nwadike no tule emecha na eshi mmiri. Even that day Ifeanyi Ụba bịara na ndị nọọsụ. Quote by Jpac. Nande nọọsụ gbaga daddy na etesiri onye positive na because rumor bịa gawa. According to Jpac. Na rumor bịa gawa ana ekwu na Ifeanyi na edina. Ọkwa Jpac na korobo. Anything I say quote to me na ihe m gwara gị. Na Ifeanyi Ụba na edina onya. So Oshi, one of the nurses say pull Ifeanyi Ụba by the side. She Oga, can we do Oreo Brinajo test for you? Ifeanyi Ụba, don't worry. you don't worry. Na urubeke like that. Igwara m ya ka igwa hụ ya. Mgbe ị pụtara Chinedu Nwadike na-agba ya wish na na-agba onye nwụrụ. Ịgbala my father war, gba Chinedu Nwadike war. So all these things you are clamoring and saying, yeah, kwejela agụ mgbada abịa ya ụgba. Mgbe mgbada dị mgbe agụ dị ndụ ka ị gwara m mgbe ejigi n'ọnụ onyi ka ị gwara m shi na gị ike mkpọhụ otulu agwụla gị. You feel me? So all these things Ogechi, nah, that's not me. He told me. He particular anyway for him, I will stand my feet and keep saying what I'm saying with no shaking. Jpac, get challenge. Go and do that challenge. Simple as ABC. And you must follow the command. You can follow ya. Now, Chinedu Nwadike bụ ọrịa. So I should know. No law Chinedu no law Ifeanyi Ụba ka Chinedu be no way she war. In fact, no jiri ya mere gia friend ya. Now you told me. And I'm there. Some giga. I'm Chinedu Nwadike obuari obiri na aja chom obi hu. I'm na Chinedu Nwadike obi syphilis mo biro. Are you not the one that's telling me all this? What I go? So maybe all Jonah Tuzigi, it just ain't according to you. It just ain't to like so now you sabi. So all these people in my father's picture, war. In a war, Jpac. You are talking rubbish. So those of you that want to be carrying all those fake if I offend any Newi man or any Newi women, I wasn't the person that said it. The reason why Ojo Ifeanyi Ụba mji wako. Akujiri oga undoga. Ejiri nye onya belu that very day. The same Ifeanyi Ụba contact yo. On I sent a message on a June yesterday. Gini me ya at that very day. Now share no video. You know why I'm telling you to share this video? Because tomorrow somebody will not come up and make up story. Jpac where belle face, he told me that Ifeanyi Ụba any favor will ya orentara yanwa. No na share humo tulelu. And the Nikaya Namunyo that should know that should. I will call Bishop Ozobor. Bishop was busy. We called Akwam on a line. I was there. Akwam not there. Bishop was busy. Bishop could not reach. Although they come out, Bishop or travel Kogra somewhere. They could not reach his local line. So you coming yesterday, not for Kuru Kampo Bishop. Never you add that man. Bishop wogaranya na atu Chineke egwu. Na ilotala okuchi ishigi buru ya. You know okay doctor na aka mo no dey call anybody to help you. Bishop Ozubru wogaranya na atu Chukwu egwu. A man na Jesus na aputa like this na egoshi onwe ya na eji oji. You want to go? Oh, somebody na etu egwu Chineke. No, they tag Bishop Ozubru in your mess. I never mention only Poromo kam na bagi. Bishop Ozubru esusu. He's a man that so anything that has to do with God, Bishop Aneji egwu. So never you ever this hanky panky video you made yesterday, and you keep saying, "Oh for obere, keep up Bishop." Shut up! Don't mention that holy man. Bishop offering a Chineke if I say God. He's a clean man. He's not useless. He's a man that did some. So in a make all this your sympathy war group. Do not include that man. Bishop the Sam or the clean or Chineke. So no they cap, no they bring rubbish. Okay? Ima, a man, that was the person I'm referring to, Jpac. Ima Ima that's the people that I'm madia. You know, Ngana Aragi getting in a Ghana. Yashim na no Ogechi. Awu Bishop Ozubru is somebody that wants to connect you to Bishop Mkime MC you know the man. Tell people the truth. Stop mentioning Bishop name. Bishop has nothing to do with this. Bishop has no freaking nothing to do with. Stop mentioning you. The man they want to contract you to ndo dogu or humere go tula. Can it? That was the sound of Mbana Ogeniko Hipuru. So don't you ever add that innocent holy man. Bishop will Grayana to Chineke Ogu. Osohune Maro. Osohune Susu. Don't bring anybody into your mess. Monage no monage. You want to go? Mess monage no monage. No, they use anybody to come. That front they keep is a lie. Emonyana age blue and black. That very moment, Jpac. Jpac, in this manya go and return it, or I'm coming with a brutal stone. You know when let me block that idiot. Who is it? Okay, all the car block go. You want to go? So all these things in our bus, people like, and I'm not nay. Then which Oge Ogechi. So if you can answer by then I am by give any simple challenge. I got your doctor, my doctor. If there is any ammo that is penetrating there, by then that one. I want to way. Okay, I'm ready to pay you. In Nigeria, Jpac, no worry. You go see me. You go see me. In a woman in those are shower in our war. In a drag people, in a put false okay, she put false information yesterday. Now that did you suspend the accusation. Now that did you suspend the accusation. Where and how? This is how you tarnish people's image. You know yesterday put that did you suspend the accusation. How, when, where? I could not somewhere now know that you I hope the period now no 24/7. This shit. Now that is suspended. Ya bekola Zion. That ya suspend the bende ge na be Zion na people hekpere. How turn out to original people. Ya wuru akuzion. And I suspend dia ozuno shi na Zion. Can I suspend the oburu madu? Can I suspend the opohumaro tula? Bija opohumana na ginike. Tell me the reason I get just suspend that. This is just to damage other people's reputation. Because see man comment aya. Nde Zion aputa. Hey, tibe habia. Nde Zion. You want to go? Be very careful with that man. Every time Ghana 100 days. Now, until the day you mention Ebukobi, that day Kega won't come. Guinea Susukwala. Ne Queen Director kwa. Igaraka. In the church, that was how problem started. Guys, listen to this voice. Share this program because where's mine? Listen to this voice. You want to come and damage Ebukobi name. That day Kega. That day Kage leaky. Happen Zion, they don't have business with you. And you should move on with your filtered life. It is damage, it is too dense to even do anything for Zion. I get boost or clean siage every day. Zion. On the end of our spiritual father, Kaya Baro Gen Ketsen.